everyone. I want to demonstrate how to generate a slope from a DEM using ArcGIS Pro. Now, a slope is basically the rate of change of elevation for each DEM cell. Now, all you're going to need for this is to have your DEM layer and the slope tool. So I'm going to bring up my geoprocessing pane by going to the Analysis tab and selecting the Tools under the geoprocessing group. Now I'm going to find my special analyst tools because that's where the slope is under the special analyst tool category and also under the surface group. Slope. So one way to do this, another way to do this rather, is to search for slope, right? And this is a lot more quicker. You could just search for slope and you're going to see two options. Now you want to use the one under the spatial analyst tool. So I'm just going to select that, and I still have the same options. Now it's going to ask you for two parameters: the input raster and the output raster. Now your input raster is obviously your DEM, while the output raster is going to be what you want to call your slope. So I'm going to just select this drop down, and I will select this. But another way to do it is just to have this drop. Just drag and drop this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now it gives me a name. I'm not fine with that. So one way to do this is to just could rename it here. Call it the name I want to call it, or I could just open this and select my location, and then I'll type in the name and save that. Everything else here is fine, but you have to go over to the environment tab so that you can make some settings. Now you want your cell size to be the same as that of the DEM. That's your spatial resolution to be the same as the DEM, so that it helps you in your analysis. Everything has to be the same. So I'm gonna come here to the drop down and select um the layer, my DEM layer, so like it's the same with my slope. Now you could also open that, assuming your DEM is not on your table of contents. So everything is okay. So I'm going to hit the run button, and it's going to run. Once that is done, it's going to add it to my table of contents, and you can see it in my list of layers. So that is how to generate a slope from a DEM using ArcGIS Pro.